On the shores of the East China Sea, upon E-grade island, Xiamen, a city embracing innovation. Upon this fertile ground, Xiamen PRIMA Technology Incorporated is emerging as a shining star. More than just a modern manufacturing base, it is a sustainable facility that lives its eco-conscious commitment, seamlessly integrating technological progress with environmental stewardship. PRIMA has embedded the principles of the circular economy into its product design, on a clear path to cut carbon emissions by 30% by 2030. Our factory is powered by extensive solar photovoltaic systems. We are building a true green factory with a comprehensive management system that weaves ecology, environmental, and occupational health priorities into the every fabric of our operations. Since its founding, PRIMA has been recognized with a series of prestigious honors, including the state-recognized Enterprise Technology Center and High-Tech Enterprise designations. We have built a comprehensive quality system, with our products securing key international certifications across global markets. All products strictly adhere to the EU RoHS standard, guaranteeing a completely lead-free manufacturing process and earning trust through superior quality. PRIMA upholds the philosophy that innovation is the soul of progress. A professional research and development team was established at the company's inception and remains committed to pioneering advancements in LCD interactive flat panels, PC systems, and classroom interactive software. This focus enables us to offer integrated smart education solutions encompassing hardware, software, and services to the education sector. Relying on professional research and development strength, PRIMA has built a full-scenario smart product matrix, interactive flat panels that integrate AI with teaching functions, smart blackboards that bridge traditional and digital instruction, LCD video walls and LED displays for high-definition large-screen solutions, and digital signage that revolutionizes information delivery. Each product is purpose-built for smart education and smart display applications. PRIMA is transforming its production through smart manufacturing. Our investment in automation, including automatic backplate mounters and optical film applicators, enables precise and highly efficient operations. Each product undergoes a stringent aging process with over 10 checkpoints, including channel inspection, white balance calibration, and SM programming, ensuring a pass rate exceeding 99%. Guided by quality first, customer foremost, every product meets national standards and every component is fully traceable. Looking ahead, PRIMA remains committed to its core spirit, unlocking potential, growing together, sharing success. We will continue to join hands with global partners, leveraging technology to empower smarter living and co-create a brighter future for the education and display industries.